Good morning, this is Ms. Schmidt, and I would like to share a poem with you all. As many of you know, tomorrow will be my last day before I leave to have my baby. And so this poem is actually an excerpt taken from The Prophet by Kahlil Gibran. A plowman said, "Speak to us of work." And he answered, saying, "Always you have been told that work is a curse and labor a misfortune. But I say to you that when you work, you fulfill a part of the earth's furthest dream, assigned to you when that dream was born. And in keeping yourself with labor, you are in truth loving life. And to love life through labor is to be intimate with life's innermost secret. Work is love made visible." Then said a teacher, "Speak to us of teaching." And he said, "The teacher who walks in the shadow of the temple among his followers gives not of his wisdom, but rather of his faith and lovingness. If he is indeed wise, he does not bid you enter the house of wisdom, but rather leads you to the threshold of your own mind. The musician may sing to you of the rhythm which is in all space, but he cannot give you the ear which arrests the rhythm, nor the voice that echoes it. And he who is versed in the science of numbers can tell of the regions of weight and measure, but he cannot conduct you thither. For the vision of one man lends not its wings to another man." So as I say my goodbyes to you all, I wish that you all find wings for your knowledge and love in your work.